kids, welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do cubes and cube root. Our learning objectives are cubes and cube root. In the previous chapter we have already learned about the square and square root. The square of a number is obtained by multiplying a number by itself, means 3 into 3, that is square of 3. We multiply a number twice by itself, what we get is the cube of that number. We multiply a number twice by itself, means एक नंबर को 2 times और हम उस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, means 3 into 3 into 3, that is 3 to the power 3. Clear? That is the cube of 3. This is read as 3 cube or 7 cube and a cube. Clear? So किसी भी नंबर का क्यूब है, means we are multiplying that number with it 3 times. Clear? In this chapter, we will learn about some special operation that will help us to find the cubes and cube root of the numbers. Next is cube of a number. The cube of a number is that number raised to the power 3. In other words, the cube of the given number is the result of multiplying the given number 3 times. Thus, the cube of 5, that is cube of 5, 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. Cube of 10, that is 10 to the power 3, that is equals to 10 into 10 into 10, that is 1000. Next is perfect cube. A number is said to be the perfect cube if it is the cube of the natural number. 27 is the perfect cube of 3, 64 is the perfect cube of 4, but there is no number between 27 and 64 which is the perfect cube because it does not exist any natural number between 3 and 4. Clear? So here a table of cubes given 1 to 20. So you can learn this table and you find out that, like here, the value of cube of 1, that is 1, cube of 2, that is 8, cube of 3, 27. Like here, cube of number 1 to 20 are given here. Know it. Ones digit of the cube of a number is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 respectively. Like cube of 10, that is 1000, cube of 11, that is 1331, and so on. The ones digit of the cube of a number ending in the 2 and 8, and that of the number is ending with 8 and 2. Like 12, number end with 2, तो cube किससे end होगा? 8 से. 8 है यहाँ पे ones की place पे, so cube will end with 2. The ones digit of the cube of a number ending with 3 and 7, that any number ending with 7 and 3. Like cube of 13, that is 2197 and with 7. Next, properties of perfect cube. Property 1, cube of all even numbers are even. जितने भी even number होंगे cube even number होगा. Cube of all odd numbers are odd. Cube of negative integers are negative, such as cube of negative 3, that is negative 27. Now I will take an example here. Find the cube of the following number, 2 by 3. So cube of 2 by 3 will write 2 into 2 into 2 upon 3 into 3 into 3, that is 8 upon 27. Clear? So the cube of a rational number x upon y is denoted by x upon y whole cube, that is equals to cube of x upon cube of y. Next is method of finding whether the given number is a perfect cube or not. Examine if 200 is a perfect cube. So method, find the prime factorization of a given number, group together triplets of the same prime number. If no number is left out, the number is the perfect cube. If some factor is left out, single factor or the double factor, then the number is not the perfect cube. 200, that is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So we have to make the triplets of the number. 2 का triplet हो गया but 5 का नहीं है, so this is not a perfect cube. Clear? Now we'll take an example. Is 400 a perfect cube? So first we'll do the prime factorization of 400 and write all the prime factors and make their triplets. So here you can see only one pair of triplet can be formed. These are square and one is left. So this is not a perfect cube. Clear? Next is adding consecutive odd numbers to make cube. Observe the following pattern of the sum of odd numbers, like cube of 1 that is equals to 1, first odd number, cube of 2 that is equals to sum of second and third odd number, 3 plus 5 that is 8, cube of 3 that is equals to 7 plus 9 plus 11, like a pattern is following here. Following the pattern, 6 further consecutive odd number will be needed to obtain the sum of cube of 6. Clear? So, like this, by adding the consecutive odd numbers according to their, like we have to find the cube of 6. So, that is equals to 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, 216. Clear? Next is exercise 4.1. Find the ones digit of the cube of each of the following number. So, 57 we have to find the cube. क्यूब में वंस की प्लेस पे कौन सी डिजिट होगी, लाइक हियर तो वंस की प्लेस पे जो नंबर है दैट इज 7, सो 7 into 7 into 7. सो एज वी नो दैट वंस की प्लेस पे क्या हो जाएगी, वंस की प्लेस पे 3 होगा बिकॉज 7 का क्यूब है. सो वंस की प्लेस पे जो डिजिट होगी दैट इज 3. सो प्रैक्टिस ऑल द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज. नेक्स्ट इज क्यूब रूट. We know that cube of 4 that is equals to 4 into 4 into 4 that is 64. So, we can say that 64 is the cube of 4. In other words, 4 is the cube root of 64, that is written as cube root of 64 that is 4. Cube root को हम इस तरीके से denote करते हैं. Clear? Thus, the cube root of a number is another number which when cubed gives the first number. For example, cube root of 8 is 2. which when cubed gives the original number, means 2 का cube that is equals to 8, means 2 को हम 2 से 3 times multiply करेंगे, so we'll get 8. Next is cube root through prime factorization method. To find the cube root using the prime factorization method, we follow the given steps. Step 1, express the given number as the product of prime, make groups of triplets of the same prime, find the product of the prime choosing one from the each triplet. This product is the required cube root of the given number. We'll take an example here. Find the cube root of 5832 by prime factorization method. So, first we'll do the prime factorization of the given number and then make the triplets, make the pair of triplets. From every pair we'll take out one number. So, that is equals to 2 into 3 into 3. So, that is equals to 18. So, cube root की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी 5832 की, that is 18. Next is more fact about cube roots. The cube root of a negative cube number is negative. Negative number का जो cube root होगा that is negative. Like here, cube root of 1 minus 125 that is minus 5. The cube root of a rational number is the cube root of its numerator divided by the cube root of denominator. Like cube root of minus 216 upon 343 that is equals to cube root of numerator means minus 216 upon cube root of 343 that is equals to minus 6 upon 7. The number of decimal places in the cube root of a number is 1/3 of the number of decimal places in the perfect cube number. Like here, cube root of 1.728 that is equals to 1.2. Like here, cube root of the given number. So, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 के बाद है. So, यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा 0.01, 1/3 हो जाएगा. Clear? Next is exercise 4.2. Find the cube root of following number by prime factorization method. First is 64. First, we'll find the prime factors of 64. (16), 2, 8 is 16, 2. Now we'll make triplets. 1 triplet, 2 triplet. From every triplet we'll take one number. So, that is equals to 2 into 2 that is 4. So, cube root of 64 that is equals to 4. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is summary. The cube of a number is the number raised to the power 3. The natural number a is a perfect cube of x if a is to power x is to power 3, where x is the natural number. The cube of a negative number is a negative number. To find the cube root of perfect cube, we make triplet of similar prime factors, take one factors from the each triplet and multiply together. The number of decimal places in the cube root of the number is 1/3 of the number of the decimal place in the perfect cube number. Next is multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. The digit in the unit place of the cube of 47. So, unit place पे जो digit होगी that is 3. So, C is the correct option here. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.